Do you need to take your video to the next level? Looking for some lighting to help you do that? Check out my review of the VILTROX light and find out if it's the light that you need on your camera. Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Mumbles. Today I'm here to bring you guys a product review. Today I'm reviewing a light, the actual light that you see currently encasing my face and making me look so beautiful. Today I'm reviewing the VILTROX light. I have some things I want to read to you, but first I do have to ask you guys all a huge favor. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps boost those search results. And also drop a like if you like the video. It also helps boost the search results. And know how much I deeply appreciate you doing both of those things. Now, without further ado, let's talk about this light. First off, I have a couple things I want to read to you first off just about this light. This is the VILTROX L116T CRI95 Plus Super Slim Dimmable LED Light Panel. Bicolor 3300K to 5600K LED video light with LCD control / light mount. Now I'm going to take this off of the tripod stand and off of my camera here in a minute, but currently it is sitting on top of my camera. I'm doing a fabulous job if I don't say so myself. Now before I get this off the camera, I do want to read you a couple more things and explain a couple more things to you. The size of this thing is 20 by 13 by 3 centimeters and it only weighs about 260 grams. Very small, very compact. You can basically store this wherever you want. It does have a battery compartment design and can be powered by an NP-F550/F750/950 series battery. So those are three different numbers: F550, F750, and 950 series battery. Those are very common camera batteries, so you don't need to worry too much about the batteries. Now, with this light, you can change the temperature from 3,300 degrees to actually 5,500 degrees, and I will show you the difference of that in a video and also when I'm doing my actual showing you guys the features of this light. There's also a brightness gauge that goes from 20% to 100%, basically just the brightness of how much, how bright it is on the screen. And finally, it can be used with a 12-volt adapter if you buy it. It does not come with a 12-point adapter. This costs extra money. There's two different versions too of this light. There is one that comes with just the light by itself. That light costs on Amazon $31.59. There is also a version, which is the version that I got, and that version comes with both a battery and a battery charger, and that version costs $37.59. So $6 more for a battery and a charger. It's a good deal. So those are the features that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Now I'm going to actually bring it down off the camera and I'm going to show you guys the various features that this thing has on the back of the unit and just show you some of the features on the unit itself. First off, I want you guys to see the difference between my face now and my face when I had the light on. As you can see, things are duller. It doesn't look as pretty. I'm not as well illuminated right now. So the light already did do its job. Now let me show you guys this light itself. Here's the light. I'm going to turn it around, but it's probably going to go funky on the camera, but we'll see. That is it with my current settings. And this is it illuminating my face close up. There's a couple of things I want to show you on the back of this first off. As you can see, there is a gauge first off up at the top right here. It says 20% currently with the percentage sign. This is the brightness. You simply turn this knob and the brightness goes up. I'll show you the difference slowly. This is it going down, and I'm turning it very slowly. Going up, going down. Now, there's a number down here, 3200. You click on this button, and this adjusts the actual color. So let me show you the difference. Right now, we're in more of a white light. This can also go to more of a yellow light. I'm going slow. See, more of a yellow orangish light. More of a white bright light. Now I'll show you, I'll turn around the screen and I'll show you the actual yellow light right now. This also does contain a battery gauge right here, guys. As you can see, basically just shows you what the battery percentage is. Now the battery itself does go right here. You simply pull it out and slide it back in. Very simple, very easy to do. There's an on and off switch right here. And then you do have the actual stand that it comes with. You can put your own stand on here if you want to. I'll show you. As you can see, it does have a screw hole for your own type of a stand. But if you want to use the one that they came with, just simply screw it in and you're good to go. And this does move up and down. That's all it does. It does not move side to side, just up and down with their stand that they gave you. Now, I do want to show you guys the actual charger that mine came with. It just simply is a charger, nothing real special. It's got a plug right here. This part comes off, I don't know why. I'm assuming that it's for different sizes of different batteries. It slides back in, and the battery just simply slides in right there. The green light comes on to tell you, hey, I'm plugged in. Let me put this light now back on top of my camera, and I'll tell you my final words that I have about this review. We're back now, guys, and I do have the light installed back on top of my camera. Now, I did want to talk to you guys for a couple minutes about this camera, just real quick, and tell you what my thoughts and opinions are on this light. As a YouTuber who does videos daily, I have to say that this light has been almost life-changing. I know that sounds cliche to say, but it's the truth. This light is life-changing because I look so much better with the light. I could not believe when people told me, hey, Mumbles, you know, you look a little dark on your pictures right now. You look a little dark on your movies. Maybe you should get a light. And I thought, oh, yeah, sure. And then I really got to looking at it and I'm like, I do look dark. So I looked for a light that I could put close to me that would look good. It's not something that would blind me when I'm trying to game. Oh, I can't see where I'm going because I'm looking at the light. No. This is a nice, soft light that does exactly what I want it to do, which is illuminate my face, make me look good, but not blind me. Now, it does have a lot of different settings into it, and that's something that, honestly, I could not ask for anything more. 20%, it doesn't need to go to 0. 20% is just perfect as to where it is. I have nothing but good things to say about this light. It does what it's supposed to do, and it makes my videos look awesome. If you don't believe me, just go back and look at some of my other videos and see how they're darker, a little bit darker. They were still good videos, but having this light takes it to the next level. So without a doubt, this VILTROX light is going to get a 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. It's a great light. I definitely recommend it. If you're looking for more of a soft light, something that's not going to blind you, this is the light for you, I promise. Anyways, guys, this has been my review of the VILTROX light. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I hope you guys find a light that suits your needs. Anyways, guys, this is going to be Mumbles signing off. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.